The relentless evolution of technology drives humanity's quest for health primal mode. Decoding life's profound architecture. Reprogram vital safeguard system. Future Vida. Future Vida Group is the global hub of biotechnology wisdom, has always led the forefront of life science research, from the antioxidant of radicals in the 1.0 to the NAD+ regulation in the 2 era. However, how to intervene in the aging process at its source remain the core task in decoding human life and health. To this end, Future Vida has gathered numerous scientists with Nobel Prizes to spare no effort in tackling the numerous barriers in the field of cellular technology since the advent of third generation of cellular targeted therapy. Technological breakthrough that captured the interest of political leaders and social celebrators.
Future Vida Group has successfully transformed cellular targeting technology. These components penetrate cellular barriers to activate metabolism, repair DNA damages, and rebuild microecosystem in days, making it a true milestone in the advancement of human health and long, healthy living.
Future Vida Group, based on international GMP standards, it has built intelligent production workshops equipped with a full-chain digital quality inspection system. Relying on a fully traceable quality control network throughout the entire process, it has established a precise closed-loop quality management system. Future Vida provides global customers with pharmaceutical-grade quality assurance beyond their expectations. It has obtained numerous global certifications such as FDA, NSF, and CFIA, with high recognition in the global market. The third generation targeted anti-aging series from Future Vida represents achieving the precise intervention in the aging process. During the day, it revitalizes and promotes cell regeneration. At night, it nourishes and repairs cells, revitalizing the body towards a young state. Stem cell essence employs cellular target therapy to directly reach the deep layers of skin cells, stimulating the vitality of the dermal base to achieve rejuvenation. Future Vida always follows the core values of cooperation, mutual benefit, and altruism. It opens a new chapter in global interactive online shopping. It creates an innovative business model of consumption as entrepreneurship with interconnected layout of smart logistic hubs. Its businesses reach numerous countries and regions globally, helping to unlock a new future of career success and prosperity. Future Vida, driving an innovation engine with science and technology, brings a new era of cellular health management and redefines the dimension of health civilization. Future Vida.